Waking up in the morning and to be well, quite honest with you, I ain't really sleep well. I feel like your train of thought's been derailed. That's when you press on, lean nail. Half the population just waiting to see me fail. Yeah right, you're better off trying to freeze hell. Some of us do it for the females, others of us do it for the reaching. I do it for the kids, life threw the towel in on. Every time you fall, it's only making your chin strong. And I'll be in your corner like Nick, baby, till the end, or when you hear a song from that big lady. Until the referee rings the bell, till both your eyes start to swell, till the crowd goes home. What we gonna do, y'all? Give 'em hell.